Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are seeing wonderful collection of Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, attached pearl in the oyster. It's unbelievable collection. It's also collected from Indian Ocean. We can see attached three pearl of Lord Brahma pearl, Lord Vishnu pearl, and Lord Shiva pearl, and you can see the faces of them in the pearl. Unbelievable collection from the Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See here you can see the clear Lord Brahma face. You can see two eyes, nose, mouth, Lord Brahma face, and in this you can see the Lord Vishnu face, two eyes, nose, mouth, Lord Vishnu face, and here you can see Lord Shiva face. So you can see very clear Lord Shiva face, and you can see the Shivalingam also. You can see clear Shivalingam also. Unbelievable collection. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. By having this pearl oyster with you, you can get extreme blessings of intervention of Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva. Very, very, very unique collection, unbelievable collection from the Indian Ocean. Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva is attached pearl in the oyster collected from Indian Ocean. Unbelievable collection, and you can see the reflection of light. You can see the faces of Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.